Hello, using ChatGPT to automate YouTube video process. Welcome to my channel. Please take a look around after this video. I got lots of information here for you, but let's jump right in. What are we going to cover in this video? We're going to talk about how to use a couple of different pieces of AI software to automate the video creation process, and then you can take those videos, upload them to YouTube for free traffic. So here's what we're going to cover just real quick. In this process, you need to have the niche that you're working in. And so for this example, we're going to use yoga. We're going to need to find an affiliate product. We're going to go over to ClickBank. We want to find a product that we want to promote. And then we're going to get a script created. And we're going to use ChatGPT, which is an AI software, to do that. And then that script that ChatGPT produces for us, we're going to turn that script into a video. And I'll show you a different AI software to do that. And then once that's done, then you just upload the video to YouTube, and that will get you free traffic. So make sure you watch all the way to the end, because we're going to take this step by step, and I'm going to show you every single thing you need to see to go through this process. So this works for any niche, so it doesn't matter. In this example, we're going to use yoga for the niche. So next thing you need to do is find an affiliate product. And now this will work for, again, any affiliate platform, whether you're getting your product off of Amazon or Share a Sell or any of these other affiliate networks, it'll work. We're going to use ClickBank. So I'm going to head over to my ClickBank account, and here we are in the marketplace, and we're just going to search for yoga. Now I know there's a few different yoga products that are good, and this is the one I think we're going to go ahead and focus on, called Yoga Burn. They have a very nice sales page. You can see that pull up. It's high converting. This is a consistent seller. Now, the gravity is not super high, but this gravity, it fluctuates. This is pretty much where it runs, but it's gotten as high as 75, 100, and it's been this way for years. And so this is a consistent product, okay? And so you're just going to get your affiliate link, and you want to save that affiliate link, because the affiliate link is what you're going to put in the description box below the YouTube video. And that's where you're going to direct people to go to get this product. So now we have our product, Yoga Burn. Okay, and so where we need to now go and get a script made for our video. And so you'll want to go to openai.com, and up on top, where it says Introducing ChatGPT Research Release, you click on Try, and you'll be able to create an account. So go ahead and create an account if you don't have one. It is currently free at the time I'm making this video. So I'm going to jump into my ChatGPT account, and really at the bottom, this is where you want to enter a prompt into ChatGPT to let it know what you want. Okay, and so so this is where you could just type something to and the more descriptive you are here, the better output you're going to get. So I'm going to put write a, let's see, YouTube video script for this topic, how to start yoga at home. And then I'm going to put write in a funny and engaging tone. And then let's just hit enter and see what they give us. Now, ChatGPT has been undergoing tremendous growth. And so, to be honest, sometimes the site is down. Usually it started writing already, and so they may be experiencing some heavy growth, and so it might be tough for them to get a script going. So we'll see what happens here. The other option for scripts, you can use PLR content. Now, if you have PLR content, you will want to run it through something, a rewriter of some sort. I use Quillbot, and so that's a great way to rewrite content, to rephrase it, so that way it comes out unique, because you don't want to get penalized from... Oh, here we go. Now it's starting to write. Okay, so yeah, so you don't want to just use PLR in its current form. You want to make sure you rewrite it, because that way you won't get penalized by YouTube for duplicate content. Okay, and so here you go. So you can kind of read it. It's going slow, so it must be under some pretty heavy usage right now. But you can see it's got, we said we want a kind of funny, engaging tone. Hey there, welcome to our video on how to start yoga at home. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but wait, I don't have a fancy yoga studio or a $100 yoga mat. How can I even begin? Don't worry, my friend. All you need is a little bit of space, some comfortable clothes, and an open mind. And if you don't have a yoga mat, no problem. A towel or blanket will work just fine. And so you can see it's actually got kind of a nice little, comical twist to it, a little engaging. And so we'll just go ahead and let it run through and finish. And while it's finishing, let me just jump back over to Quillbot. It's a great way if you have PLR resources. I get most of my PLR from a big product store. Let me find that for you. It's a very low-cost membership website. They definitely have free stuff that you can get as well. They cover every niche. They have it's probably closer to 15,000 PLR products in here. I'll leave links for that down below. I'll leave links for Quillbot down below. I'll leave OpenAI you just get to. And there you go. Now this is finished. Okay? And there's other AI writers out there that you could use as well if you need to. So now that this is done, let me just go ahead and highlight that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go over, so let's go back. Let's go back. So we got our script. Now we're going to turn that script into a video. We're going to use another AI software called Pictory to do this. Pictory, they have a free trial version. It's a super easy way to make some really nice high quality videos, easy to use. We'll jump into my account here and show you how to do that. Now they have lots of different options that you can use, but we're just going to do this script to video. So we're going to click proceed, and then this is where we would paste in our script. Okay, so I just pasted that in. I'm going to pause the video for a second and just kind of clean this up because I like to make it a little easier for Pictory to use. So give me a second and I'll come right back. Okay, I'm back. I just cleaned this up a little bit. I gave it a title, Yoga Burr, because that's the product that we're promoting. And I went through and I just kind of like to space this out because it'll put, each line as a separate scene in the video. It just takes a minute or two to do that. I do like to come up here, create new scenes on the line breaks. Okay. And then let's click proceed. And it's going to pull up all these different templates. They have a couple dozen templates that you can choose from. And if you hover over it, you can see how the text will look. Sometimes, the text will, like here, this one bounces in. This one kind of fades up and in. This one, kind of types as it goes in. This is just the text. There's nothing behind it. So you just have like plain words. You can have colored backgrounds for the words. And pretty much all of this can be adjusted. So you're kind of just looking for a template that you like as far as the way the words come in. And so let's see. I'm going to maybe just we'll do something maybe kind of simple. Why don't we try this one, Dove? Okay, so I'm going to select that. And we're doing YouTube videos, so 16:9 ratio is what you want, but they also do vertical and square videos as well. So let's go ahead and click continue. And now what Pictory is going to do is it's going to go out and it's integrated with Storyblocks and I think one or two other services where it'll import images and video clips based on the text and put that video together. Now, sometimes it doesn't quite find the right thing, and so we'll show some examples of that once this is finished, and we'll go through and look at how to change that out. Okay, so let me just get myself up here out of the way. And so here we are inside the main editor. And the main menu is over here on the left side. Okay, so right now we're in the story section, and we'll go through these as well. There's a visual section, elements, audio, text, styles, branding, and format. So right now we're just starting the story section, and basically you see the scenes over here, scene 1, scene 2, 3, 4, etc. And these are all the different scenes. You can also see the different scenes along the bottom here as well. And so what you can do is you can, if you don't like the way this text is, if you click on it, oops, I'm not sure why it went up there, but if you click on it, it gives you the opportunity to change the font. Okay, so you can, let's just go ahead for an example. Let's say we want Roboto font. Okay, so that changed it. And you could change the size. Let's just say we will make it a little smaller. You can make it all bold, the lettering, centered, etc. Lots of things you can do here. Now, then you make sure you hit apply to all. so that it'll apply to all the scenes in the video, not just this one. But then you can edit individual scenes as well, as you see down below. You can delete the scene, preview the scene, and then we're just talking about this one scene right now. Trim the video, add a voiceover, etc. So right now, this looks good. Hey, welcome to our video, how to start yoga at home. So let's go to the next scene. You can do that either by clicking on the scenes over here, down below, or on these arrows. Now I know what you might be thinking. So someone thinking, so maybe we'll use that. But wait, I don't have a fancy yoga studio or $100. How can I even begin? So it's a yoga studio, so that looks good. So far it's doing a pretty good job. We're not having to, let's go to the next one. Don't worry, my friend. Okay, yeah, so actually these are pretty good so far. All needs a little bit of space, some comfortable clothes, an open mind. Okay, so so far it's actually doing a pretty good job, and that's what you'll find, is it really actually does a pretty good job, which is what's nice about it, because it makes it easy. But just let me show you for an example. Let's go to visuals, and this is where you access the library. Okay, so maybe we want something different. So here you could, so these are the key words in this sentence, and so you could click on one of those, or you can search. So you could just type in yoga, and it'll come up with a bunch of video clips, or we could search for yoga poses, and it'll come up with different clips. Okay, and so maybe we say we want this one instead. Again, if you hover over it, you'll see the previews. This is good, because it talks about just a little bit of space. This definitely shows it at home, so we'll click on that, and it's going to put it into the video. So if you remember, this video is about starting yoga at home. So it's actually kind of nice. It shows a home setting, just a little bit of space, open mind. And so you could just do this, go through the whole video scene by scene, and just make sure you have the right visual in the background. You can use texture backgrounds. You can upload your own videos if you want as well. Then they do have this new section called Elements, where they have different stickers, different GIFs, and that's the great thing about Pictory. They're updating constantly. They're always adding new things and different emojis. So these are all things that you can add to your video if you want. Now, as far as audio, this is where you can, if you have your own voiceover, well, first you can add background music. They have over 15,000 tracks available. You can search by mood, purpose, genre, duration. You can preview it by clicking the play button, and you can hear it, see if you like it or not, and then just click apply. Let's just say we're going to apply this one. And so you just click apply, and that'll apply it to the video. Now, voiceover, they do have built-in AI voiceovers, so you can use one of them if you like them. You can upload your own voiceover under the upload section. So if you create your own voiceover, or if you hire someone, a freelancer maybe from Fiverr or someplace similar, they can upload then you can upload the voiceover file here, and it'll sync the voiceover very nicely to the words. You can edit the timing if you like, but it usually does a very, very good job. And then the last options, you can change your text or add text if you want. You can change your style. If you have an intro, if you have an outro, and this is the main video, you can add branding. So if maybe you have a logo that you want to add, then you can put the logo in there as well. And then you can always have the option to change the format. And then you definitely want to make sure you hit this format area before you generate the video, because you definitely want to make sure it's on the 1080p. And then once you're done and you've got everything exactly the way you want it, what you can do is you can click preview. It'll generate a preview that you can watch and make sure it's perfect. And once it is, then you just click generate video, and it'll produce an MP4 file that you can then upload to YouTube. And as you see, this makes it a very, very easy process to, find that product that you want to promote. Go to ChatGPT, get that script created. You saw it did it pretty fast, pretty easy. You don't have to do much. And then just take that script, upload it to Pictory, and let Pictory make the video for you. You can use their background voices, add your own voiceover. You can change out the clips if you want, or you can leave it as is. And then you get a really high quality video that you can upload to YouTube and get free traffic. And so as people are looking for how to do YouTube yoga from home, they'll find your video, they'll watch it, and then they'll see that they have a link in the description box down below. If we go to, that's the one thing I guess I forgot to show you on the script. I added this last scene, and it says if you need some guided help, then check the link in the description box below. And so when you upload your video to YouTube, in the description box, that's where you'll put, for more help, look here, and you'll have your affiliate link that'll go to the Yoga Burn product on ClickBank. Okay? So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me a text, leave me a message below. Please like the video if you don't mind, and also subscribe if you haven't so you can get new videos as they come out. Thanks so much for watching.